When the wicked thrive, so does sin, but the righteous will see their downfall. Proverbs chapter 29, verses 16.
Hello family, a very warm welcome back to the Lovystouch food channel. Thank you so much for coming back.
Most times, Ghanaian women are known for their curves at the right places, and our cuisines has a lot of factor to offer. One of them is very popular worldwide now, which is fufu. But this right here, popularly known as MashKɛ, it is Kenkey, is going to help you gain weight at the right places, and it's so amazing. So please stay tuned and let's get right into it. All that you need is some fante Kenkey, which I've also shared the recipe here. I also have some whole milk. And you need some sweetener, and today I'm going to be using natural sweetener, which is organic dates. And you can also use the sugar if that's what you have. Sugar or honey will be very good. I also have some roasted peanuts, and that is all that you need. If you take this every single day and you do not gain weight, I'm telling you there is something wrong. Because it's an instant weight gain and it's just so healthy, especially if you do not want to have heavy meals. This is a full meal on its own. So all that I'm going to do is put everything in my blender and blend it until they're very nice and smooth. This right here is best for lactating mothers as well. They are able to produce more milk once they consume this, and it's just amazing. So to my lactating mothers, please hop on this and you're going to love it. This is the authentic Ghanaian smoothie that we've had for so many years now. So it's all done now, very nice, very smooth and very creamy. All you have to do is to put in your glass jars any content of choice. I also love to add some ice, and just look how creamy it is. So good. That's one of the reasons why I warmed up the fante Kenkey, because I want the texture to be just as creamy as you see on your screen. So creamy and delicious. You can mostly enjoy this on its own, but if you want to pair it with something, it normally goes with your tea bread, your butter bread, then you know that you're going in for a treat, a real treat. Just close it and enjoy. In a hot afternoon, you're going to really enjoy this. That's not all. If there are leftovers, you can store it up in the fridge for 2 days or transfer them into this ice pop. This is popularly known in Ghana as iced Kenkey. That's how you enjoy it when it's really hot. It is very good, very nice and thick, and it has this consistency of ice cream. It is very delicious. So this is how I make mine. And if you want to add more flavor, choose the fruit of choice that you prefer and then add it here and blend everything together. I like to sometimes add some banana, strawberry, go ahead and use any fruit of choice and you're going to even love it. Popular in the restaurants, and this is how they are served. And yes, you're going to pay good money for this. Okay, so there you have it, family. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoy this recipe and you're going to give it a try. And if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Lovia from Lovystouch. My main goal here is to cheer you up into making your own delicious meal right at the comfort of your home. I also love to share kitchen related motivational videos, so please come on board and subscribe for new recipes every week. Thank you so very much, family, for watching once again, and as always, know that you are so beautiful just the way you are. I will see you in my next one. Have a blessed day. Bye.